Welcome back on the channel, VST here at S26, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And as you can see, since the day I bought it, I've been wearing this phone like that. And it's a beautiful feeling, I will be honest with you. I really enjoyed the phone like that. It's a very thin phone, thinner than last year's S25 Ultra, but also every time I have to take this phone out of my pocket, I need to use my both two hands, because believe it or not, with all the Gorilla Glass and the protection, which is by the way not titanium but aluminium, every fall from my pocket will set me back with 1,400 euro. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate something useful, and this is Benks cases. Just before the launch of the S26 Ultra, Benks sent me these 5 cases for the S26 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to unbox them and test them on my phone. Disclaimer here, yes, Benks did send the cases to me, but it's going to be completely my own opinion about the way I feel with those cases. If you have been following my channel, you would know I have a lot of videos about Benks cases. They're pretty known with their durability, using Dupont Kevlar and Armide fiber, also tech minimalistic design. I personally am not a big fan of wearing bulky cases, because these phones are enormous. They're almost like 7 inches. Putting this in a bulky case would just kill all the feelings for me. So I would rather stick with something that has a high level of protection, but yet allows me to enjoy my phone, for which, remember, I spend a lot of money. But nevertheless, if you are a fan of the tough protection, the Armor Pro series from Benks, they do offer this rugged protection. They do offer the Essential series for sleek protection and the Armor Air series, which is personally my favorite series, offering just enough protection to keep the cool look, but also still give a lot of protection. Now let's go back on the review table and let's start. First things first, let's start with the big unboxing. This is the Benks Montron case. Then we have the Benks Armor case, slick. Then we have the Armor Grid case, very nice. And then we have the Armor Grid case, but another variation. Also very cool ocean-like colors. Then we have something that I would like to wear also on my S25 Ultra, the Benks Aurora case, and last but not least we do have this screen protector. I do believe they changed the design. Oh, my cat just crashing the video. How does it work right now? Unboxing just like that, alright? You simply pull it out and yeah, this thing is tough, I can tell you. Oh, almost not able to pull it from here. Okay, and inside you're gonna have a mock-up foam, and this is pretty much it. So this is the first one, the montage one. Now let's check the Armor case. Alright, you can see the cutouts here. I can tell you, this thing definitely feels very, very light in the hand. Could be also my favorite. Then we have the Armor Grid. This is simply beautiful. Take a look at the cutouts. Putting this aside, yet another Armor Grid with a very nice ocean-like color. But pay attention, this has cutouts. And last but not least, all-time favorite, the Aurora case. This design has been really classy, and I think I rock this on my S24 and S25 Ultra. Let's take this off. And this is right now the full collection. Montage, Armor, Armor Grid, and Aurora. Now let's start with the first thing I would like to do. Who is the lightest from them all? Take a look at this beautiful case. This is the Montage one. And the winner here, 39 grams. Now let's check the Armor one. Oh my god, this feels so thin. All right, let's see. 27 grams. Now let's check the Armor Grid. 39 grams. The other beautifully ocean Armor case. 27 grams. Okay, those are gonna be my favorite, I can tell you. And now, last but not least, let's check the Aurora. 37 grams. Now let's dive deep. This is the Montage cage, and it's been made with 600D and 1500D Dupont Kevlar. So the fiber here is only the good stuff. And this case is not only minimal, I would say, with the type of protection that it offers, because it will protect your phone along all the edges. Inside, guys, we have Montage, and we have something that is very, very important. We do have MagSafe, because believe it or not, what Samsung didn't do, they didn't really put a magnet on the phone. Bruh. So if you'd like to use MagSafe charging, well, yeah, this is supported on the phone, but what happens here? Nothing. This simply will not stick. With a case like this with MagSafe, yeah, okay. Oh, and the magnet seems to be quite strong. Now, I'm gonna check how strong exactly. Take a look at that frame. It's so exquisite, by the way, right? You can see it goes up like here and here to provide some additional protection when the phone is inside. This is the protection for the buttons. We have the right cutouts. You know what I'm gonna do right now, guys? I'm gonna take the phone and I'm just gonna put it like this, okay? Do this. Put it always with the buttons like that, and then boom. All right, make sure everything snaps, and oh boy, now I'm gonna solve one of the biggest issues that I have with the phone, the wiggling part. It still wiggles, but it's not so pronounced as without the case. And take a look at this. The lip here and here will ever so protect your camera, all right? But it's not going to take away the faceplate of the camera, so you can see this with your own eyes. I think it's pretty cool. And also the lip is raised here, so you're gonna get enough protection for these two babies here. Very good. In the hand also not so slippery, because believe it or not, the phone alone is slippery as hell. Let's take a look at the cutouts. Yeah, everything properly here, the USB-C, then we have the speaker. What about the S Pen? Let's see if I can get it easily. Yeah, I can actually. All right, so you can see the S Pen pops just right away, so no issues at all. Now let's try to see what is going to happen when I put this on my phone. Can this case hold my phone? Honestly, it will. You can see I'm wiggling this here, so it's going to protect my phone and also provide the so much requested MagSafe, which for a reason was not included by Samsung. And yeah, wireless charging just works like a charm. Demonstrating this one more time. Boom, here we are, and I'm now wirelessly charging my phone. So with 37 gram, the Montage Armor Pro Kevlar case is going to protect your phone from all angles, which is pretty cool. And now let me show you this wiggling part. Without a case, yeah, you can really go crazy. I mean, and this is because the new design here of the camera and the faceplate. Now let's check the Armor Air 600D. This thing, 26 gram. See what happens here. Full cutout for all the buttons on that side. Also here we have a bit more of a cutout, reducing drastically the weight of the case. And if you have this case in the hand, it feels like almost thin air, almost nothing. This case is built entirely with 600D Kevlar fiber, and yes, of course, it comes with the MagSafe compatibility. And oh, by the way, you can use something like this. It's again a product from Benks that I do keep from my older phones. This is the Armor Pop. Boom! You can use this as a grip, as a stand. You can put your phone like this, like that, and you can see once you just hook it up, well, it doesn't really go so easily off. This is because MagSafe is supported. But don't get yourself fooled, because even with the lesser protection around the edges, we'll still have protection for what is most important, and this is your camera. Take a look at this. And now I'm going to install this. How does it work? I'm gonna do this exactly the same way, like that. Pop it up, pop it up. It should click like this, and oh my god, I have a feeling this is gonna be either this or probably one of those. Right now, by far, this feels like my favorite case. Why? Well, because I feel almost like caseless. With this thing here, take a look at this, right? This feels almost like wearing nothing on my phone. And also I can see my beautiful violet color. I have proper access to the buttons, and what is important is every time I will access my buttons directly, right, not through the case. And then very nice cutouts here and here as well. What about the S Pen? Yeah, very accessible, not a problem at all. Let's test wireless charging. Putting it like this, boom, phone start charging. What about the magnets? You can see I wiggled a lot, but this will hold. Shame on Samsung, they didn't really put something stock G2 inside the Samsung phone. Now let's go back to the heavy duty protection. This is the Armor Pro Armor Grid case, and as you can see, yeah, it's a bit different. The whole texture feels different. We have protection for the buttons, only the very necessary cutouts at the bottom too. Again, we have MagSafe. Now let's put my phone inside. The Armor Grid Armor Pro case is again woven from Dupont Kevlar, but they're using also something called the GLU weaving technique, which I don't know what it is, but the website of Benks says that it creates a texture that blends resiliency with artistry, embodying protection through design. And honestly, this thing is pretty cool. My version is the Obsidian Black, I do believe. And if you feel this with your hand, you're gonna see there is texture. It's not completely like even out. And also this logo here seems to be kind of embossed. And honestly, this feels great in the hand. A case for the more rugged protection. Let's test the magnet out. I'm putting here my Armor Pop. You know, I can tell you guys, with this thing you can see I can wiggle this all day, no chance. Now let's test charging. Boom, no problem at all. Wiggle it like this, and yeah, still my phone is charging. The good thing about the Armor Grid Armor Pro is the fact that it's going to provide full protection with the TPU frame. So this thing is going to hopefully absorb shocks, and it's going to safeguard all your edges. So no matter if the phone falls like this or that, or even if you put it like this, there's going to be a lip protecting your screen, and the whole body is still reinforced with Kevlar, which is a nice thing to have. Now let's move to the Armor Grid Armor Air case. Why Air, guys? Take a look here. We do have the very nice cutout, right, giving access to all your buttons. I pretty much like this. And again, it feels very, very light in the hand with like 26, 27 grams. Again, comes with MagSafe. And then again, we have the nice protection for the camera and only the main cutouts for the body of the phone. Let's test it. Case is here, phone is here, snap here, and we are all set. And then again, take a look at this beauty. It feels like you're almost going caseless. With a case like this, honestly, yeah, it feels like you don't have a case at all, but you still have a case and you have the required protection. Take a look here. Also, the lips around the edges, right? They will protect your screen. So the phone is not gonna scratch, hopefully, because again, it's Gorilla Glass. Yeah, but why not also protect the phone and protect the camera as well? What about wireless charging? Let's test it. Boom. Charging wirelessly, no issue at all. Oops, oh, okay, one more time. Yeah, testing the magnets. So it seems that the air magnets are not so strong as the Armor Pro, but nevertheless, you know, magnets are still there. Again, they're not so strong compared to the more tougher choice, like this case here, but they'll get the job done and you can use this in your car. Now, let me try to test something else for better fit. Whoop, okay, I have the fit right now. Maybe the magnets are that strong, guys. Maybe it was just an issue with my charger that kind of also touches this lip here, because with this thing here, I can wiggle it all day long. So yeah, I think it's the same power. And now, last but not least, the Aurora Armor Pro case. This one will give you all the protection that you require. Buttons protected, all the edges protected. Let me install the case. Boom! When you hear this firm snap, you know phone is safe. So we're back to where we started. Again, I have all the cases on my table. By the way, there's gonna be an affiliate link in the video description. 15% discount on Shopify if you want to check those cases out. Right now, I need to make a choice. And this choice is going to be between wearing Armor Air, which is really very slick, very minimal, right? Very thin case, only 1 millimeter, or going for something more like this, which is going to offer more protection like the Armor Pro case. Now, let me know down below in the comments which choice is going to be yours, and I'm going to tell you my choice right now. So, yeah. I mean, you know it, right? Not really? Okay, this is it, the Armor Air 600D case. I decided to wear this as my main daily case for my main daily driver, because this thing here is actually, let me remove this. This is very, very thin, very lightweight, and I have a feeling that I don't wear a case at all. Still, my phone is protected, and I really don't want to add a lot of bulk, so maybe when I go outside in the mountains or maybe on the beach, I'm gonna go and choose something like the Montage or the Aurora Pro, but for my daily driving right now, this is my choice. Let me know what is your choice down below in the comments. Stay safe, we stay over, and bye.